Let's continue the basic accounting terminologies. What are debits and credits? Debit means left and credit means right. So if you still remember the basic accounting equation, which is asset equals to liabilities plus shareholders' equity. And we just decompose shareholders' equity into paid-in capital and retained earnings. And paid-in capital can also be decomposed into common stock and additional paid-in capital. And we just talked about retained earning is your net income minus dividend. And net income is also your revenue minus expense plus gains minus loss. Minus dividend. So this is the basic accounting equation. And the rule here is if it is at the asset side, so whenever an asset increase, liabilities and shareholders' equity increase as well. So when it is an increasing asset, we record it as at the left-hand side of the account. So if it is an asset account, an increase will be recorded on the left. A decrease will be recorded on the right. So for asset account, increase is on the left, decrease is on the right. And for liabilities and shareholders' equities, for all of those, an increase, let me write it here. For liabilities and shareholders' equities, an increase is on the right and decrease is recorded on the left. So which means that for common stock, additional paid-in capital, revenue, and gains, an increase will be on the right, decrease will be on the left. However, for expense, losses, and dividend, because it is a minus to shareholders' equity, it decreases shareholders' equity. So we should do the opposite. So an increase in expense is recorded on the left, and the decrease is recorded on the right. The loss and dividend, that's the same. Increase on the left, decrease on the right. Dividend, the same thing. Increase on the left, decrease on the right. And then if left means debit, right means credit. So for all of the asset accounts, for asset account, expense, losses, and dividend, an increase we debit it, and a decrease we credit it. And for all of the other accounts, liabilities, common stock, additional paid-in capital, revenue, and gains, an increase in those accounts, we credit it, and a decrease in those accounts, we debit it. So this is this is very basic. So if you haven't, if you still don't feel familiar with this, try spend some time and get familiarized with this, because debit and credit, which account and what condition to debit and credit, those are very basics for account, very basic for financial accounting.